Hello, welcome back. It's your woman Angela K.O.D. Today we are with Sister Fosti again, and she's going to make us a very delicious healthy meal from Frafra Bosongo. That is Ayoyo soup with Kokonte. Come with me as we cook this delicious meal together. But if you are new to this channel, please subscribe and be part of this great family. Shit, you guys always coming along. Thank you. Come with me and let's cook together. Fosti, but so no be no aduane no amaye.
We know Ayoyo the buy bonsoko. The bonsoko no ya de asesawa. Amane soa ebegum. Ene dawa. Wow. Ene samo. Ene tomatoes. Ane gene. Na pacho bonsoko no den na yidi bedi. Kokonte, guys. So today we are going to eat bosoko with kokonte. I have Ewedu too. First me moko na bosoko ya fa boko nkampa sha ya di moko na kan ho moko ni kura mpeni na me yire na firi ya moko kan ho. So guys, so our ingredients also has pepper in it. So that is a complete soup. It's in pacha started. Because I cannot wait. Ayoyo ni na ebe wo. Good. So what you na the good and some lady good about wife. How are fresh pie? Wow, very fresh. No, interesting. But I need to meet you try and say, well, call the episode corner. To meet you try. One first, I don't know a year or so. It be a more woman to be booms. Oh, no, man, no one who say, okay, all right, okay, Matthias. Yeah. What can I make quite your eyes? I poke up for you. But I don't know what you say. Patch, I am Kokonte. Okay. We need to be a bit here. Well, since today says cassava and banchi is some. Okay, so guys, this is cassava flour. So we are going to make kokonte or abitia. Face the wall, whatever name you know. Comment below, let me know. So okay. Perfect. So guys, we are going to start with the cooking of the soup. She start by adding water to the soup. So our Ayoyo is ready. She's going to add it to the water to start the soup. So call it the group pie. I'm a job to be money, tomato mano. Sapasa dona do good. Wow, okay. So she's adding a little bit of curry to the soup. Dry herrings. I'm a little So guys, we go ahead and pound our dawa or locust beans. Okay. And she went ahead and add some dry herrings. There's a little flavor na ban. So guys, today I'm going to have a special dinner here. Join me. If you cannot join me, just go and make some shopping and make it so guys, our dawa and the dry herrings is ready. What's my argument? You be dear, no maybe I catch you because maybe I'm the girls. For Swiss, I don't know okay. So we are going to cook the fish and the onions aside, and then later we put everything together. Yes. They are so experienced. She doesn't even use any chopping board. She's cutting everything on the tips of her finger. First like the board is so na chicha. Cause it's a good big shop. One can say yes. It's a culture. For sense of Frafra Ayoayo and Kasapana Ayoayo. Frafra Ayoayo. She go ahead and add some tomato paste, guys, for more taste. Wow. So guys, we are going to prepare our kokonte. First the raw and now say abetie. It's one of my favorite, guys. It's only the So our water is ready. So guys, we are sieving our kokonte. This process is very important. So if there are any particles in it, the sieve can really sieve it out so that they wouldn't go in our kokonte.
Yes, so far back from never be
Kokonte be a yes, yeah, and yes, I'll get so. Sister, Kokonte me a food. I'm not Kokonte be able near to one.
They are near it to my own and sworn a bono. Oh, I have 10 years and sure bona. Ah, near it to dia tan bia yi aduane wo han
Yeah. The flavors here, guys, but up in soon, Mama, the flavors here, another level. I showed him
what Sasosia. Now, train.
Okay. I can't say that much as me. I'm helping sister because she's preparing the kokonte. Guys, I'll go ahead and taste for salt. So guys, it's time for us to dig in and serve. Look at this deliciousness. Chese, ayoyo dawa nkwan pa, nyasem kitswa. Wow. Enagro. Ahayo shishisham. So our food is ready. Our kokonte with mpachankwana so kwani dini the same. Bonsorgo. This is typical frafra soup, guys. Look at this. It looks so delicious. You are all invited, guys. Everybody is invited. Ademe. Wow, she but Ademe. Ademe. Wow. I've not tasted anything like this before, guys. Sister Faustina, I'm sure. So this guys, thank you so much for coming with me to Mama Faustine's house for us to make this delicious meal for us. But if you're new to this channel, please subscribe and be part of this great family. And for my subscribers, Team Angela KOD and everyone watching my videos, this kiss is for you. Thank you so much for your love and support. I really appreciate you guys always coming along. Thank you. I will see you in my next video. Bye bye. Adios. Bye bye from Sunyane. Bye bye. Sister Bachaka. Bye bye.
Bye bye.